So a lot of people usually every year they go for getting like the iPhone 16 Pro Maxes because, you know, they want the bigger, better device. And I get it. Sometimes you want to get the best particular product of any product that's released. But I'm telling you that the iPhone 16 is just as capable as the iPhone 16 Pro lineup. Moreover, it takes really, really amazing pictures. And when it comes to the core experience, it's really there. Let's talk about the photos. The photos of this thing is amazing. I've used this for the past couple of days, you know, just taking street photography and just literally walking around and taking photos of different things I find that are interesting. And I think it's a remarkable piece of device when it comes to just taking photos. So most people only need the regular 2x and 1x to take maybe portraits of your children or portraits of anything that you might find interesting itself. And I can tell you the 248 megapixel sensor cameras on this device is truly remarkable. Now, when we talk about the colors, it comes in a variety of colors, up to 5 of them, right? So I have the ultramarine, which I think is the best color out of all the colors that are actually available. But apart from the ultramarine, if you're interested in getting something else, they have teal. They also have a pink color. They have white, and they also have black. And the second color I would recommend, if not getting the ultramarine, getting something like the pink. The pink looks really amazing. It's such a really nice color overall. Apple does a really amazing with their fusion technology, and it really feels premium, like any premium device, right? So we're talking about the core experience. It does offer everything that the iPhone 16 Pro would offer in terms of the core experience. It does come with the action button that you can assign to anything that you like. It also comes with the camera control button, which I think is pretty remarkable, and it makes it a lot easier to access, you know, like your photos and take photos when you're on the go. And it also does have, you know, the AI features, you know, that will be coming later this year. If you're on iOS 18.1 beta, you will have access to it already. But the AI features and the core experience of having an iPhone, it's really there, and it doesn't feel like you're getting anything less this year. Last year, I remember the Pro models had the action button, but the regular models didn't have the action button. This year, they added all the buttons on the base model to basically give you the same experience. So you're not missing out in terms of the core iPhone experience. I must talk about the size of the phone itself. So this comes in 6.1 and 6.7 inches. I do have the 6.1 inch because I can only get the 6.1 inches because I thought that, you know, this probably might be the best size in terms of for a phone. I mean, you can get 6.7 inches if you want something a little bit bigger, but you do have the option to have these. And these are really high resolution screens. Yeah, it does offer 60 Hertz versus the 120 Hertz that's on the Pro Max, but I've used both phones and I can't really see a huge difference in terms of the visibility to the screen. 60 Hertz is still capable, even in 2024, for any premium device. Now, you are actually missing the always-on display, which I find can be useful, but I don't mind just pressing the lock button on and off just so I can see the screen, because, I mean, it really is not just a minor thing that you probably don't even think of anyways. The main emphasis of making this video is to really encourage you to go ahead and get the iPhone 16 versus getting the 16 Pro Max. Yes, the 16 Pro Max just offer the 120 Hertz, in terms of the screen, 120 FPS. But when do you really need to 120 FPS? I find myself using 60 FPS 90% of the time, and I barely use 120 FPS, only if I want super slow motion, which is not something that everyone wants to use every single day. It does offer 2.0 speeds as well versus 3.0 speeds that's on the Pro model. But when do you ever need to transfer a file on your iPhone connecting to the computer? Most of the times we transfer files over, you know, AirDrop, right? We do like AirDrop, or we will basically use Bluetooth, or we just touch an iPhone to another iPhone and transfer the file. So the core experience is there. Save your money, get the iPhone 16. I think it's a really remarkable device. I love the colors this year. Beautiful color. I recommend the ultramarine. I'm not a blue person, I hate blue, but the ultramarine, I had to get this one because it's the most beautiful color I've ever seen from Apple in terms of, you know, devices. But yeah, so yeah, that's it for now for the video. If this video was helpful at all to you and help you make a decision, drop a like on the video, let me know in the comment section as well. And if you're looking for more iPhone videos, I do have a video right here comparing the iPhone 16 and the iPhone 16 Pro, talking about the core features. It's only a 5-minute video, so do a click on that as well. if you want to know more. And I guess I'll catch you in the next one. Yeah, peace.